In today's video tutorial, I will take you all through the use of AND function, one of the logical functions in Microsoft Excel, to determine if all the conditions in a test are true or false. So for that reason, I will be using this Excel sheet to demonstrate on how AND functions are used in Microsoft Excel. Let's just imagine that the school administration is having difficulties in sorting these students into different categories. So to put them into different categories, it can be done very easily in Microsoft Excel by using AND function. So to put them into different categories, I will be using the criteria given towards the left-hand side of this Excel sheet. If the student's marks are greater than or equal to 0 but less than 40, I will be putting that student into fail category. And if the student's mark is greater than or equal to 40 but less than 60, then I will be putting that student into the pass category. Similarly, if the student's mark is greater than or equal to 60 but less than or equal to 100, then I will be putting that student into the outstanding category. But if you by chance happen to come across any student whose mark is less than 0, like -1, -5, -10, and so on, or if you come across any student whose mark is greater than 100, 110, 120, and so on, then I will be showing you the result invalid. So keeping these criteria in mind, let me start showing you how AND functions can be applied in Microsoft Excel. So I will be using AND function inside the if function. All right, so equal to if and open the bracket, click on the cell where the marks are entered, greater than or equal to 0, comma, click on the same cell, less than 40. If the student's mark is greater than or equal to 0 but less than 40, then I will put this student into the fail category, comma, if and if the mark entered in this cell is greater than or equal to 40 but less than 60, then I will be putting this student into the pass category. And if the mark here is greater than or equal to 60 and less than or equal to 100, then I will be putting this student into outstanding level. And what if the marks goes beyond 100 and below 0? Then I will show the result as invalid. Close the parenthesis and hit enter. Yeah, I'm getting outstanding here because the student's mark is greater than or equal to 60. Right? Greater than or equal to 60, outstanding, right? So for the rest of the students, you just drag and drop. You see that there are 2 students who passed, there are 2 students who failed, and there are 3 students who got outstanding. But where is invalid? It's not shown there because the students' marks are not below 0 or the marks are not even greater than 100. Let me just change this to -1, for example, and hit enter. We'll get invalid here. Let me change this to 101 and press enter. We'll get invalid as well. That's how we use AND function in Microsoft Excel. Thank you and see you in my next video.